Unveiling the delights of pumpkin bread. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a tasty topic that's perfect for any season: pumpkin bread. This delightful treat combines the flavors of pumpkin and spices into a loaf that's enjoyed all over the world. So, let's get ready to learn all about it and why it's more than just a recipe. It's a slice of culture. Pumpkin bread is a type of quick bread made with pumpkin puree and a blend of warm spices such as cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. Unlike yeast bread, it does not require time to rise and is relatively easy to make. It's often enjoyed in the autumn months, especially around holidays like Thanksgiving and Halloween. But its comforting flavors make it a favorite year-round. The star ingredient is, of course, pumpkin. It provides not only a distinctive taste but also a moist texture to the bread. Other key ingredients include flour, baking powder, baking soda, eggs, oil or butter, and a combination of spices. The spices are what give pumpkin bread its signature warm and cozy flavor profile. Pumpkin bread is part of a broader tradition of pumpkin-flavored dishes in American cuisine, particularly linked to the fall season. It's a symbol of harvest time and is often associated with family gatherings and festive celebrations. The bread's popularity has spread, and now people from different cultures enjoy it in various forms. This versatile bread can be enjoyed on its own or paired with a variety of foods. For a decadent treat, you can serve it with a spread of cream cheese or a dollop of whipped cream. For a wholesome breakfast, pair it with a cup of coffee or tea. And it can be a delightful side to savory dishes due to its sweet and spiced flavor. Pumpkin bread is incredibly adaptable. You can add nuts, chocolate chips, or dried fruit to the batter to create different versions. There are also many recipes available that cater to various dietary needs, such as gluten-free, vegan, or sugar-free, making it a treat almost anyone can enjoy. Thank you for joining me on this delicious journey into the world of pumpkin bread. I hope you feel inspired to try this flavorful treat and maybe even bake your own loaf. Enjoy the taste of fall, or any season, any time of the year. Happy baking, and see you in the next video.